Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Our recipe today is my mini knafe with cooked cream, كنافة بالقشطة. These mini knafes are always a crowd pleaser, and it's perfect for get-togethers and parties. I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and delicate dessert step by step. Let's get started. Starting off with 1 box of Kataifi dough. You can find this dough at your Middle Eastern market or a Greek store. It is also called Kunafe dough. Get a clean pair of kitchen scissors and cut half of the dough and place the remaining half back in the bag and back in the box so it won't dry up. Then finally cut your dough into small pieces just like this until all your dough is done. Try to cut it as fine as possible. Then get the remaining dough out and also cut it the same way you cut the first one. Now, by the time you're cutting your dough, you should have your cooked cream or clotted cream qishta ready and cooled down to room temperature along with your simple syrup. I'll put the links in the description box below for both of those recipes. Get a cupcake pan ready and start buttering your cupcake pan. I used half a cup of butter and half a cup of ghee. Now you can make this with 1 cup of butter or 1 cup of ghee, but I like to do half and half. Now start adding a little handful of dough to your cupcake pan. Now remember, we're gonna layer a layer of dough, a layer of cooked cream, and then a layer of dough on top of it. So please make room for that. Now press down your dough and make sure it's evenly distributed. I like to pipe my cooked cream. You can surely use a spoon and scoop it up in there, but the piping gives you a neater look. Pipe down your cooked cream on top of your dough, just like this. Now add another layer of the shredded Kataifi dough on the top. And now this recipe, 1 box of Kataifi dough, will make 24 cupcake-sized knafes. Now add a little bit of butter on top of each one, and then we're gonna distribute the butter evenly with the brush. Make sure your dough is covered with the butter. And now your knafe is ready for a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes or until golden brown. Move your mini knafes from the pan while they're still hot. The secret to a crispy knafe is pouring room temperature syrup, cooled down syrup, on top of hot knafe. So right when it comes out of the oven and you take it out of the pan, pour that syrup on top. After adding the syrup, let your knafe cool for about 15 minutes. Now to give it a beautiful look on top, I'm using a cake decorating piping tip, and I'm piping down the qishta on top of each one. And enjoy. I hope you like watching this easy and delicious dessert, Kunafe بالقشطة. Please don't forget to like my page on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share with your friends. And you're gonna get a crunchy texture on the outside and a creamy, sweet texture on the inside.